how to know who is online on Instagram. So to do that, all you have to do now, after you open up your Instagram like this, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open menu, scroll to down and tap on this messages and story replies. Now tap on this show activity status. Now make sure you turn on this option. As you can see now, make sure you turn on like this. After you turn it up on like this, now tap on this back arrow again. Now tap on this home button. After you come to this home, now tap on this messages at the top right side. After you come to this message, so the first sign to see if someone is online on Instagram is you can be able to see this green button beside the person name, and you can see this active now message. As you can see now, so these two signs are the best sign to see if someone is online on Instagram. So if you scroll to down, if you open the person like as you can see now, I want to see if this person is online. If I open the person conversation, as you can see now at the top, now it will give me when the person is online. As you can see here, it says active 1 hour ago, means this person 1 hour ago he is online on Instagram. But if the person now hide his online activity, now I will show you how to see if the person hide his online activity status. You can be able to see him when he is online as well. To do that, all you have to do now, tap on this back arrow. After you come to this home, now tap on this plus button beside your profile. After you tap on this plus button, it will take you to an option where it will now ask you to upload an image to your Instagram story. So now I'll just go ahead and upload an Instagram story on my Instagram. I'll just go ahead and just choose a random story. So I'll just go with this one. After you choose an Instagram story, just tap on this post button, go and post the Instagram story. After you share your Instagram story now, if the person is online and they see that now you share Instagram story, they may be able to go and check what you just shared on your Instagram. And if that person open up the Instagram story, you can be able to see whoever just opened up your Instagram story. This gives you that the person is online, but he only hide his online activity on Instagram. That's it, guys, on how to check if someone is online on Instagram, or how to know if someone is online on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.